Welcome to STEMFocus. In this 4-part mini-series, I'll be taking you through our science, technology, engineering, and mathematics department. You'll also be meeting some very brilliant minds from this STEM department and to see the creative minds behind innovations like Omefe, the first African humanoid robot. And for young STEM innovators and researchers out there who are interested in having a successful career in this field, be sure to stay tuned as we'll be tackling some important questions in STEM and how to overcome them.
With us today is a young lady. Her name is Bilikisu. Can you please just introduce yourself to us?
My name is Bilikisu Abdullahi, and I'm the laboratory researcher here at STEMFocus Science Department. My primary responsibility is overseeing the research projects and experiments conducted in our chemistry and molecular biology lab. I've been working in this field for 3 years, and I really enjoy sharing my knowledge with the next generation of scientists.
In your experience, what challenges do you think young STEM researchers face when they are in the STEM field?
One of the biggest challenges of new scientists is accessing proper laboratory resources and equipment. It can be difficult for individuals to obtain the right tools and material needed to conduct their experiment and innovative research.
Okay, thank you for your insight. How do you think these obstacles or these challenges can be overcome?
That's a great question, Tayo. We at STEMFocus have been able to overcome the common obstacles by giving researchers, like interested STEM researchers, access to our state-of-art molecular and chemistry laboratory for learning and research, discovery or innovations.
Thank you so much. I'm sure a lot of researchers will be excited to know they have a safe place to perform their research. I've been looking around your laboratory. I study computer science, so I'm not really familiar with any of your equipment here. Can you introduce me to your favorite equipment in the lab?
Absolutely. Let me introduce you to my favorite equipment, which is the film hood. This equipment is essential for our experiments and research project. One of the key advantages of this equipment is that it keeps you safe from carrying out analysis that involve the hazardous chemical and also the storage of volatile chemicals.
Fascinating. Do you have any research point or project that you guys are working on in the lab that you guys to share with us?
Of course, our department has been working on several projects including the biodegradable, essential oil, biofuel and biogas.
You mentioned essential oil. Why are they important?
In our laboratory, we focus on the benefits and application in various industries. We've been studying the properties and uses of essential oils such as the apple flavor, mint flavor, wintergreen flavor, and eucalyptus oil. We are also investigating the potentials of essential oil as natural remedy for various health conditions such as stress and anxiety. Our goal is to continue to exploit the many benefits of essential oils and to find new ways to incorporate them into our daily activities.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. You also mentioned biodegradable products. How are they important and why do we need them?
Okay, biodegradable products are essentials to reduce the negative impact of non-biodegradable products on our environment, which are synthetic products. Our research is aimed to find innovative solutions by exploring the alternative materials and developing sustainable products that contribute to a healthier planet for the future generation.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you in more of our videos.
It's fun, Tayo. Thanks for having me.
And that brings us to the end of the tour for the STEMFocus Science Lab, and be sure to join us on the next one where we'll dive into the world of coding and programming in the technology department. See you next time.